In today's video, I am going to teach you how to search an Excel sheet. Searching in an Excel sheet is one of the fastest ways to find specific information, especially when you are working with a large table, a long list of names, numbers, dates, or repeated values. Instead of scrolling through the sheet manually, you can use Excel's built-in search tool to quickly locate exactly what you need. To begin, open your Excel sheet and make sure you are on the worksheet where you want to search. Then press Ctrl and F on a Windows computer or Command and F on a Mac. This opens the Find tool, which is designed to help you search for content inside the sheet. It is a simple feature, but it can save a lot of time when your spreadsheet contains a lot of data. Once the Find window appears, look for the box labeled Find What. This is where you will enter the word, number, or text you want Excel to search for. Type your search term clearly and exactly as needed. This can be a full word, part of a phrase, or even a number. Be careful when entering the text because the results will depend on what you type into that box. After entering your search term, you have two main options. If you want Excel to take you to the first matching result, click Find Next. Excel will move to the first cell that contains the term you entered. This is useful when you want to review results one at a time and see where each match appears in the sheet. If you would rather see every matching result at once, click Find All. Excel will then display a list of all cells that contain that search term. This is especially helpful when the same value appears multiple times and you want a quick overview of every location without jumping through the sheet, one result at a time. As a simple tip, if the first result is not the one you need, you can continue selecting Find Next to move through additional matches. If you used Find All, you can look through the list to identify the exact cell you want more quickly. That covers everything you need to know.